And now at 5, we are tracking the tropics and a new cone just in from the National Hurricane Center. There's now a potential tropical cyclone in the Atlantic. I'm Jesse Pagan.
And I'm Michelle Imparato. We want to get right over to our team of First Warning meteorologists, Marquise Mita and the chief, Tony Manalfi. So, Tony, you guys are going to be watching one system closely over the next few days that could actually impact our coastal areas.
Yeah, and Marquise is going to be talking about that. But, Marquise, this is a perfect reason why we go from an invest to a potential tropical cyclone. So close to the United States, you got to prepare people, and that's what the Hurricane Center has decided to do.
Yeah, and as you alluded to, we actually have the watches and warnings out for the Bahama Islands here, but we also noticed some big changes now with this brand new cone.
Yeah, so you're going to talk about the impacts along the coast. And remember now, Flagler County, northern Volusia County, is in that little bubble towards the end, and we're going to show that to you here in a second. This is forecast to become a hurricane just off our coast and just east of Daytona Beach. And, you know, you can see there's a little bit of uncertainty here. That's why the Hurricane Center has put Flagler, Jacksonville, St. Augustine, and that little northern nook there of Volusia County into that cone with potential tropical cyclone 9. Big massive showers, thunderstorms right now ongoing there as low pressure pulls away. Wanted to show you the latest tracks. Very, very consistent today. Maybe just a little bit of a nudge back to the east. It's been kind of going back and forth here over the morning runs versus the afternoon run. So a comfortable distance off the coast there, but if it does expand, then we could have some issues here along the coast with some rain and some squally weather. Speaking of which, I want to take you to that right now. Notice the winds on Sunday, not too bad, 10 to 20 miles an hour. It's Sunday night on into Monday where the changes start arriving. You can see the hint there of some trouble off the coast. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. And then it's as we get you into the afternoon from Sunday on into Monday, notice the winds. They start picking up. The other big piece of information, by the way, is Humberto, now a major hurricane. So we got a lot of moving parts, Marquise.
Absolutely, Tony. As you mentioned, the winds are going to be a big factor along our coastline with those other beach and boating concerns. But let's take a look at the probability of tropical storm force winds. Of course, you have that ongoing with Humberto right now, as you did mention, but look what's creeping up along our coastline as well. We see that chance between 20 to 30% for tropical storm force winds across Flagler, Volusia, and Brevard County. So all across that I-95 corridor, we're going to be watching out for the winds, but other impacts will include those wave heights increasing to 10 to 14 feet offshore. The breaking waves closer to the shoreline, 6 to 8 foot conditions in which we could possibly see some coastal beach erosion, and of course the elevated rip current concerns. Right now, wave heights close to Humberto, 21 feet. Those can double in size, and as PTC 9 continues to travel north into the Atlantic, these waves closer to it, 8-foot conditions currently. These are going to elevate as well as this potential tropical cyclone continues to gain strength across the open waters of the Atlantic. You see the wave heights increasing off of our coastline between 9 and 4-foot conditions, and then heading towards Bermuda with Humberto, still a major hurricane. These wave heights could exceed 32, closer to 38-foot conditions. So a lot of potential impacts, and we haven't even touched on the rain, but we will do so in the next 15 minutes coming.